Hey folks, so we want to cross that creek, but it's just not, it's not really, there's too many deep spots where if you slip off a rock, your whole foot's going to submerge. So Michelle got on the internet and bought these. I didn't pick out the color, she did.
It's the only one they have available in your size, Bigfoot.
Apparently only the hippie socks for Bigfoot. So hers is the same, but like we said, it's the only ones they had for big feet. Sly comeback.
Sleeping alone tonight.
But these are really good. I really recommend them. I don't know what the company.
Randy Sun.
It's Randy Sun. So
S-U-N.
Here's the deal. We really like them. They're like maybe like a Gore-Tex or a neoprene or something like that, and they go high up. So, and they're comfortable when you step on like the kind of the jagged rocks. When I go barefooted, it hurts. If I put these on, it's comfortable, and you know my feet aren't wet. Comes with a nice little case. You can put them in afterwards. That way, when they're wet, they're not going to get all your gear wet. And we'll just show you how they look.
Yeah. Thanks, Shawn. You don't want to see my white feet, legs.
So there you go, Michelle's funky socks and white legs, and I'll video it when we're crossing. All right, folks, got my funky socks on. If only it was summer and I had my funky shorts on to match them. But here it is. And like you'll go in right here and you could feel the cold around your feet. Yeah, but not like if you were barefooted. I mean, if you're barefooted, it'd be rough. And you just want to, like, I got the selfie stick. Oh yeah. Oh. My only problem is it hurts, you know, when I step on rocks. So I'm gonna try to hit flat rocks here. We did it. So feet aren't freezing cold. You know, it ain't too bad. And these socks work. I mean, there's no leaks. Oh man.
I told you the worst part.
Oh.
There's your seat.
Yeah. And that's how you do it. So hope you enjoyed that. So when you have these socks on, you know, it feels like your feet are wet. Like it feels like this foot is just soaking wet. But you take the sock off, which is wet, and you feel your foot and it's bone dry. Just dry as can be. So, you know, that's pretty cool, man. So we're gonna put our shoes back on and then go check out an area that I've been really wanting to see, but the only way across was to get your feet wet, and we didn't have to get wet. So thanks, Michelle.
You're welcome.
I love you and your hippie socks.
Good.
Check out this rocky creek, folks. It's so cool looking. It's just beautiful. It's just tons of rocks. Just wow. Yeah, we need a truck and a tractor. Pretty creek. Really pretty creek. Wow. This is amazing. Amazing little spot. Never been here. Alrighty folks, Shawn here. So here's my onyx hunt. And if you can see the little blue guy, that's me. So I look for these branches in the canyons, these fingers, and usually at the tips of them are waterfalls, which is what I expected this was. There's no trail out here. I just look for the branches on maps where there's public land, and that's what I go look at. So that's like a little tip for me to you. But we turned the corner up here and it's starting to look pretty good, but you can't see it right now because we're not at an angle, but it looked like there was a pretty nice shelter coming up, so it may be successful to have come this way. So stay tuned. Check that out, folks. That's what we saw. Really nice shelter. This is pretty sweet. Look at that rock just laid down across. Nice little shelter up top. This is cool. Check that out, folks. That's amazing looking. I can't help it that you got into my footage stream.
Look at all of the.
Oh yeah.
The roads.
That's wild.
Look at that tree's eating those rocks.
Oh yeah. Wild. Freaking wild. So this is what I was really hoping for the most. A waterfall. When I looked at the topo, it indicated, wow, look at them, that would have been some cool shrooms. All sorts of little mushrooms on there. But when I looked at the topo, it indicated the potential for a waterfall. And there it is. Ah, man, it really pays off when you find a really nice waterfall, deep pool. I mean, I can see through it. It's probably about knee deep, maybe waist deep in some areas, but really pretty blue and just a really pretty waterfall. Oh man, I'm really happy I found this. This really makes me happy. There's even a little cairn, so someone's been here. Definitely a spot people go to. Really makes me happy. See this beautiful waterfall. Alright folks, really cool shelter. Nice little shelter.
Look at the ceilings.
Oh yeah. That's cool.
Like the band in here.
Yeah. That's wild. Very neat. Be a little good camping shelter. What a place. Man, what a neat little deal. It's just a little den.
Yeah.
Yeah, little den there.
Oh yeah, go on. You can really see it.
Oh yeah.
Way back there.
Yeah.
Please don't slip.
I'm gonna try not to. What a cool place. Man. So I'm calling the Waterfall folks. A lot of rocks in the creek fall. So
A lot of buggers.
yeah, that's what I thought about. Alrighty folks, we are at 5.1 miles. Been hiking for about 4.5 hours. So we're on the Blue Trail again on the other side of Bay Creek. And we're just gonna go to the natural bridge crossing, which is probably about a mile or so ahead. So, and then we'll cross there, get onto the White Trail, and carry ourselves back to the truck. Alrighty folks, some nice bluffage with a little waterfall here on the Blue Trail. The Boo Trail. Always love this little area. A little bit of ice. It is cold after all. Little firing, illegal firing. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Very pretty. All right, folks, here's Michelle's favorite part, the stairs of doom. Let's see if I can get up them and not stop. Here we go. It's a workout. It is a workout. Alrighty folks, that was 7 miles of Bellsmith Springs. A lot of off-trail, checking out the scenic creek. A lot of hills. I bet we get close to 1,000.
Probably 500.
Probably. Be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. And until next time, come up here and stop me. Come and stop me. Oh, we'll try to see you on the trail if we make it.